and welcome. My name's Tolan and I'm the co-founder of Productivity Me. In this video, we're going to look at a quick way to instantly select an entire row by using the Shift key and spacebar. This will be part of our making and selecting text section of our course. So with that, let's get started. Here in Excel, we have a little table where perhaps we're tracking the quantity sold, the price, the revenue, the costs and profits for a specific product. We're doing this over 4 years, and in column G, we have a total. So if we want to select an entire row, there is a quick keyboard shortcut to do that. You would press the Shift key and spacebar, and that would instantly select your individual row. So if we were here and we wanted to select the row 6, we would press Shift spacebar. Now, a second way to achieve the same result is to come over with your mouse and scroll over here. When you get this little arrow, this kind of whitish arrow in black above the row symbol, you would click that, and I would also highlight the row. Now what I like about the Shift spacebar trick is once you've selected a row, you can press and hold the Shift key and then press the up arrow to select additional rows. Or if you were here, you press Shift spacebar, you can hold the Shift key and then tap the down arrow, and you would select arrows or rows one at a time. Now, if you selected multiple rows and you want to deselect one of those rows, you would press the Shift key and the up arrow to deselect one at a time. Or if you had selected multiple arrows above your active cell, here we have our active cell in row 5, essentially it's D5. So if we want to deselect the second row in our table, we would press the Shift key and then tap the down key once. If we want to then deselect the row 3, we would press the Shift key and tap the down arrow once. So again, in this video, we looked at a cool way to instantly select a row. We would achieve this by pressing the Shift key and the spacebar that would instantly select a row. The second way that we can instantly select a row is use our mouse and come over here, scroll above the number of the row that we want to select, click, and it would select that row. Now once we've selected a row, we can press the Shift key and the up arrow, or the Shift key and the down arrow. Rather, first we have to select the row, the down arrow, and select multiple rows. Now what's great about this is if you remember the keyboard shortcut Alt-Shift right arrow, that would allow us to group items. So say that we want to group the revenue row, so we press Shift spacebar to select that. Then we want to group that with the cost row, so we press Shift and then down arrow. And then we're going to press Alt-Shift right arrow to group that. And all of a sudden we have a group. We could minus that. So now we have a mini table in which we have 4 rows visible, that of the time period, the quantity sold, the price, and profit. If we wanted to allow the revenue and cost to reappear, we would click this button and it would be selected. So in our next video, we'll look at the keyboard equivalent for instantly selecting a column. We'll look at the keyboard shortcut Control spacebar. So check that out in our next video, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching.